Nancy, we're gonna be making painted potted plants.
Sounds great.
All right. Can you say the name of it 3 times fast?
Painted potted plants, painted potted plants, painted potted plants.
Oh, you're the best partner ever. This is gonna be a great project. We will paint them white first. Just make sure all of it's painted white, even the inside rim, because you can see that. All right, looks like we got pretty good coverage here. Why don't we let this dry for a few minutes and then we'll move on to the next step.
Sounds good.
All right, so the next step will be putting these rubber bands on the pot so that we can make a striped pattern. We're just gonna do 6 so that there's a little bit of white that's gonna stick through after we paint them blue. Let's get our arm workout, right?
Yeah, really.
All right, how you doing?
Great,
Good?
I'm finished, yeah.
All right, so our next step, we'll actually pot it right now. We'll do a first layer of bark, and then we'll come in with our potting soil. And for the next step, we'll get the plants into the pots. They'll come out. Ah, there we go, yeah, little punch. Okay, so we get the plants in here, and then just make sure we get some soil around them. Press down the soil a little so they'll be stable. So you ready to paint these pots blue?
I am.
All right. I am loving this. And we do this wabi-sabi, which means it doesn't have to be perfect. Feeling pretty dry now. Next, what we want to do is finish it off with the bark. Just a little layer. You ready to see what this looks like?
Let's do it.
What do you think?
I think it's very nice.
And there you have our painted, potted plant project perfected.
Yay!